Hi everybody, I just wanted to do a quick YouTube video before these are gone. It's a really cute and easy do-it-yourself project for Valentine's Day to help you and your family or you and your classroom count down the things that you love for Valentine's Day. So this is what our final product will look like, something like this. You can get the heart board that looks like this at Target in the Dollarspot. So it's $3 for the board. And the clips come in packs like this, and they're $1. They come in lots of different glitter colors. So here's the purple. We're going to be using some red. There's some kind of neon pink, and then there's a light pink, and then there are some that say I love you on them. Okay, so you can see one of the ones that I did earlier, that it was the light pink board with the light pink clips. Today we're gonna kind of mix it up, and I'm gonna do one of the red boards with some multicolored clips. So all you need is the clips, which are $1 for 6, the $3 board, and then a glue gun. Okay. So I really like this project because I think that the Valentine's decoration is kind of timeless. I also like that it's interactive and it's something that you could do with your child. You could use it in your classroom. We've tried tacks on the board and they seem to work as well. You could use bigger clothespin clips, but I liked the little glitter ones that they had at Target. And I liked that some of the colors matched. This will be my first kind of mismatched board. So we'll just glue them into the different spots. Okay, just takes a second for them to dry, and then ta-da! The Post-its work really well with it. The other thing that you can do is you can get wallet-sized pictures at Costco. Those work. Regular 4x6s work, and just kind of whatever you have on your house, in your house. Again, you could also use tacks, and the tacks will go into it and hold pictures up too. So just a really fun, quick, easy. If you think it looks cute, rush out to Target, go grab them from the Dollarspot section, and make sure to click on our video, go into YouTube and subscribe. Thanks for watching.